1. Whatever we know as truth is our subjective truth. Never put your truth over someone else's truth. That applies to religious views, political views, lifestyle habits, meal preferences, so on and so forth. 2. We only attract content that enhances the state we are already in. And that content can be other people, books, quotes, videos, written blog. So choose a state of happiness and optimism and you'll start attracting more content that makes you more happy and optimistic. 3. Hating others is the disease that eats us. When you hate on billionaires or somebody who is what you're not and society tells you hate on, that person doesn't get affected by your hate. But your hate keeps going inside you and that increases your mental suffering and you cannot let happiness grow inside you when the hate is there. 4. Hard choices makes her happier, easy choices makes her sad in the long term. And if the choice is as simple as that, let's say, should I just accept my body as it is, or should I become more fitter, or should I leave my job and start my own business? Whatever is the harder choice, choose that. And last, life follows the law of momentum. Whenever you start acting on these rules, start taking your happiness in your own control, you start realizing it kind of becomes even easier to become more and more happy, and it's very difficult to become unhappy. So much so that you reach a stage where your happiness becomes so contagious that other people start getting benefit from your energy, from your aura.